Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to share a Facebook post. This will be a very quick and easy tutorial. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone and head over to the post that you wanted to share. Take note that you can only share a post if it is set up to public or friends of friends. And if it is set up to friends only, then you might not be able to share the post. Now, in order to share the post, you just need to click on Share, located at the bottom right corner of the post. And you will have an option at the bottom to share it to WhatsApp, or you copy link or share it to a group or your story, or etc. But if you want to share it to your feed, you can do that as well. You can set up the audience, would be public, friends except or specific friends. And in order to share it publicly, you just need to click on Share Now. And that's it. That's how you share a Facebook post. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!